In just 2 weeks, I have seen 2 young people with ketamine bladder. If you're under 25 years or have friends who are, draw close. Ketamine bladder is a health problem that happens when someone uses the drug ketamine a lot, especially for fun or to get high. Ketamine can hurt the bladder, which is the part of your body that holds your pee. So when you make pee, you have to store it in the bladder until you can get to a toilet. But imagine not having a bladder. So ketamine is known by several street names, especially when you use it at parties. They may call it Special K, Vitamin K, Super K, Cat Valium, Jet, Super Acid, whatever name they call it. Just know that the stuff is dangerous. Just keep away from it. These names disguise the drug, making it sound less harmful. Okay, but it can be dangerous when used improperly. We normally use ketamine in the hospital to put people to sleep, as an anesthetic during surgery, or to calm them down, or to stop pain. But it can also make people see and hear things that are not there, put you into this state of not really being there, which is called hallucination. So some people use it for fun at parties, even though it can be dangerous. So when someone takes too much ketamine for a long time, the chemicals in the drug can damage the inside of your bladder, the lining of the bladder. This makes it painful and difficult for the bladder to work as it should. Okay, so the patient I saw has damaged their bladder using ketamine, so now requires tubes to carry their pee into a bag. So they have tubes going from their kidneys, passing the pee into a bag that they have to carry with them and empty all the time, like an artificial bladder. Imagine that. Okay, so lots of complications with ketamine. You don't want to mess with the stuff. You can have bladder pain. You feel a lot of pain in your lower tummy. You can have some blood in your pee. Okay, you urinate frequently because you have no bladder to store your pee. Each time you make pee from your kidney, you have to go and pee. So imagine peeing every 10 minutes. You can't function. Okay, like I said, you can have blood in your pee. Sometimes the damage to the bladder makes it such that you're often irritated lower down there. Your bladder is smaller. Over time, your bladder shrinks and holds less pee, which means you have to go to the bathroom more often. Okay, so it can cause kidney damage as well. The organs that help you to clean away waste from the blood. So young people, you have to know that ketamine is dangerous. Some young people try it thinking that it's fun or harmless, but it can hurt your body in a way that you didn't expect. And the damage can happen really slowly, so you might not even notice it right away. The damage can be permanent. Okay, the damage to the bladder can be so bad that you need surgery. It affects your daily life. You're constantly in pain. You need to pee all the time. It makes it hard to enjoy life, to go to school, to go to work, to play with friends, to do normal things that other people do. So it's important to know that while using ketamine might seem like fun for some people, it can cause serious health problems that last a long time. You may recall the well-known TV actor in Friends, Matthew Perry, well-loved actor. Ketamine was reported to be implicated in his death. So please seek help if you've been taking ketamine. If you're addicted to ketamine, speak to a doctor right now before it's too late. Okay, and don't be tempted to take this stuff at parties. It may well lead you down the road to addiction and health issues you may regret all your life. Be wise.